The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through.
Welcome back to DIY with Donna.
Darryl.
Before we start, we want to just apologize again for the mix-up between gasoline and Vaseline.
Yeah, that's on me.
Yeah, onward and upward, honey.
Yeah.
All right, so for today, Darryl,
Yeah.
you weren't cooking anything, were you?
No,
Trust the professionals at Seatown Electric, Plumbing, Heating, and Air for your next home project. We take pride in the work we do, and you will too. Save time, money, and the headaches. Visit our website today.
Call Seatown Electric, Plumbing, Heating, and Air.